If you want to customize the control center or quick settings on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is, of course, we're gonna go to the control center, and then if you scroll all the way down, then at the bottom you should be able to find the edit button. Now in here we can find all of these different buttons that we have added so far, and also below, for example, we have system toggles and app toggles, so buttons and shortcuts that have not been added yet. If you want to remove something, we have this minus button in the upper right corner of the shortcut, so you can just tap over here to get rid of the shortcut. You can also move these shortcuts around, you can reposition them as you want to. Also, we can of course add new stuff by using the plus button in the upper right corner of the shortcut. So let's say I'm just gonna add this thing back, and there we go, it's very simple. At the top of this list we also have the show icon labels option. When that option is enabled, you should be able to see names of these icons and shortcuts. So if you are not sure what each of these things do, you might want to simply enable the label or text that is below each shortcut. If you don't really mind that, if you don't really need to use the text, then of course you can just hide it again. If you made any of the changes, then you can tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save those changes, and that is almost it. One more thing that I want to show you is that if you go to settings, and then over here, if you proceed to, I believe, notifications and status bar, yeah, then in here we should be able to find the control center section where we can toggle device controls, which is usually this Google Home button, which you can disable if you don't need it. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.